Hi there. In this screencast I want to show you how to set up Word to make it easy to manage your questions. So you have your Moodle quiz template installed and you've got a set of questions maybe you've exported from Moodle. So here you are in the Microsoft Word page, and you need to have a few nice little settings in Word turned on to make life easier for yourself. So I'll go into the View menu and check the navigation pane, and what that does then, it displays headings on the left hand side. So you can see here's a heading 1 style. I'm just going to display that. It's a heading 1 style. So heading 1 styles in Word map to categories and subcategories in Moodle when the questions are imported. So if you want to put questions into a category, you just create a heading 1 style and then add in questions below that heading, and they'll all be in that category when they get imported into Moodle. So here's a category, storage, and another category, hardware. When the questions are exported from Word, they are not sorted terribly well. It depends on how they were actually added into Word. So turning on the View menu, the navigation pane gives you a clear picture of the structure of the thing, and clicking on an item, a heading 1 or a heading 2, brings you straight to the category or the question concerned, and you can then go and edit that question. So the other thing you might consider doing is to go into draft mode rather than print mode. And if you go into draft mode, you can set it so that you see these headings listed on the left hand side. That's a bit more complicated. You need to, if I just turn it off first of all, go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to the Display group and change the style area pane width in draft and outline view from 0 centimeters to say 2 centimeters. There we go. So now in draft view you can see headings, and so an error that's common is that maybe you've got a heading 3 rather than a heading 2, so that won't help with the import process, or it's a heading 1 instead of a heading 2. So you need to make sure that you've got your heading styles correct. So the navigation pane, which is built into Word, and the style area pane make it easier to manage your questions and keep them into categories so that they come in nice and neatly into Moodle. And that's it.